Hey, Dr. Yogi here. In this video, I'm going to be using FTK Imager to acquire parts of my registry, and then we'll try to use Registry Viewer to view it. So to get started, I've installed FTK Imager, and I'm going to go to File. I'm going to Obtain Protected Files, and now I'll need to figure out a place where I want to put these files. I'm going to try to put them here on my desktop. I don't think that'll cause any issues. I'll go ahead and tell it to give me password recovery for all files here. Hit go. This takes just a second. Okay, I'm going to see if I can find that file. Open my desktop, go to this FTK folder, and we can see the file structure of my registry. And we can see, let's see, what are these dates here? So this date is current time. I think that's probably when the system was last booted. The SAM file was probably maybe when I last logged in. We'll see. Default users. Alright, and so I can see my users are just that. And so I want to see if I can go to my users and locate the NTUSER.dat file. So here is my NTUSER.dat file, and I'm doing this on my host system. I'm not doing it in a VM. So this is my NTUSER.dat file for my Windows 7 machine that I'm currently on. So I'm going to go back over to Access Data Site. And I don't have Registry Viewer on my machine right now, I don't believe. I've got some Kanye West, but not late registration, but not Registry Viewer. So let's see if we can download this. Pretty small file. Go ahead and install this. Just doing the default install. Go ahead and finish that. Now, let's see if I can open this. And we'll just go ahead and open Registry Viewer directly. Maybe. Here we are. Go to my programs here. And you'll probably get a security warning that'll tell you, hey, there's no security device, there's no dongle found. Do you want to continue? Click yes to continue or no to run in demo mode. So we're going to actually hit no. Alright, and it says there's no dongle found. That means we haven't paid for it. So we'll hit OK. Now we'll go to open. And then you'll navigate to your folder. I'm already here, so I've gone to my desktop, my users folder, my folder, and then I'm going to open my NTUSER.dat file here. So I'll open this, and now I'm going to go through, and if I know some certain areas that I want to investigate, then I'll go to those areas. I'm going to give an example that you might be doing in one of my assignments, and that's looking at the Windows UserAssist keys. So Windows maintains a set of keys in the database to keep track of the programs that are executed, the number of executions, the last execution date, and the time are available in the keys. Information within the UserAssist values contains only statistical data on the applications launched by the user. So essentially we can figure out what the user's been doing, right? What kind of programs they've been running. So to get to that key, it's in software. Here's a little trick I like to use. I like to, when I'm going through the registry, I like to use my keyboard. If I know where I'm headed, I like to use the arrow keys and the letter keys. So the next thing I'm looking for is Microsoft. So I'm going to hit M, and I'll hit M, and where I get to where I'm going. Now I'm going to press the right key to expand that over. And then I'm going to look for, let's see, Windows, and then current version, and then expand. Explorer. And again, I have to know where I'm going for this. I can poke around here randomly, but for me to get this specific thing, this user assist key, I need to know where I'm going. Right. So now I'll go to user assist, right, and then there's two different folders in here that will have some different information in them. So I can click on this, and it will give me these keys that look somewhat cryptic, but if we click on them, you can see there's some information down here, and then the key properties over to my lower left in the window over here. Let's see if we can get to some that look like something that's more important. Okay, so we can see that I ran remote desktop on 3/3/2019 at 5:38 Universal Time. Right. We can see, let's see, what do we have here? And so some of these will require a little more digging. Here's the control panel, launch that. Alright, and so we can go through and we can see all sorts of information here. If we just look at it right here, it doesn't give us all the information. But if we look at the value down here, we can see that this strange looking key here was actually a Avast antivirus. Alright, and we can just keep going through. We can see some of the paths will be longer. So this was a WebEx app data using Cisco WebEx, and that was, let's see, that's not the properties. Let's see if that gives us anything. Visio. Alright, so it's giving us some of the information, but it's not giving me everything that I expected here. Let's see. So I'm running Camtasia right now, so that's how I'm recording this video. Let's see if we can find some older stuff here. There's some codecs, probably again doing some more video editing. Ran Firefox. So we can really go through, running VMware, again recording some videos. So you can see all I do is stay around and record these videos for you guys. Alright, so I think that's a long enough video. Thanks.